Ampcus Cyber Daily News Bulletin. Let's dive into the cybersecurity headlines of the day. New Python-based snake info stealer spreading through Facebook messages. Watch out for spoofed Zoom, Skype, Google Meet sites delivering malware. Minnesota's South St. Paul Public Schools investigating potential cybersecurity threat. Canadian city says timeline for recovery from ransomware attack unknown. Ransomware attackers leak sensitive Swiss government documents, login. Update, critical TeamCity flaw now widely exploited to create admin accounts. Your security is our priority. Stay informed, stay safe, stay with us. Ampcus Cyber, your go-to source for the latest cybersecurity news across the globe.